YouTube, make a little video here. We're going to be getting ready to start laying out for the new building. So first thing got to happen is our lovely little trailer here got to be relocated. Last night we spent some time over here getting stuff moved around. There's the old sawmill, getting ready to put the old roof. We'll start laying out for all the posts, and the band mill itself is going to get relocated at the end of the mill, so we will be sharing the same building, which would be really nice for that to happen that way. So a lot of activity. We got to get some concrete pad poured before the weather turns really bad here. So Travis is getting ready to come over with the machine here, and we'll get ready to move her. All right, making sure nothing's gonna fall around here. There's the 56-inch saw that we've been talking about that we want to put on the mill here. That is a brand new cut down saw. Basically it was a 60-inch saw at one point in its life, and someone had wrecked it, and they cut them down to a smaller diameter. So it's a 56-inch, and that is an F pattern. So this is our little tool room storage area, and it's very nice to have on a mill location where you can keep things locked up. But I think everything should survive the ride. Just across the way there, right where that trailer is at, that's where we're going to set it. So we'll get ready to hook her up here. Away we go. Coming in from work. All right, now we got a place to start digging. All right, step one is done. So far we got the back wall laid out. We got the dry line, and that's where that back wall of the building will be. And once we get this building all squared up and laid out, we'll start drilling some post holes and start standing some poles. And then we can go ahead and start framing her up. Get some concrete poured. This will be usable. We'll see you in a few. Getting some poles in the ground today. We got the Eddie Horvath on the scene here. We're getting a couple holes prepped here, and the rest of our crew decided to go deer hunting today, so we are a solo act. But there it is, the first official pole to get the roof over this mill. I know a lot of people have been commenting about the building, and we are trying to get it done before snow flies. It's going to be a little bit of a task. You can see how large this mill is, and there's a lot of equipment to put under roof. We're getting tired of covering the blade up. This is why we have not put that big blade on, because we don't want to subject it to the weather. We do keep this 52 covered, but it won't be long it will have its new home, so we'll keep you posted here.
Or hook it up to next week.
Okay, second pole's up. We're still waiting on material, so things are happening a lot slower than we wanted. So we will keep everybody posted here, and hopefully everybody likes this part of the video. We'll be having trusses going up here hopefully in about 3 weeks. So there'll be a lot of activity here at the sawmill. So we hope to see you guys next week. All right, bye-bye.